Looking for a home that checks all the boxes: luxury, comfort, space, and smart investment value? Well, guess what? You just landed in the right place. Hi everyone, this is me Jolly Yadav from Privileged Assets Management, and today I am beyond excited to introduce you all to a fresh chapter in luxury living brought to you by none other than Ganga Realty. We're talking about this all-new low-rise development situated in the most vibrant and fast-developing sectors of Gurugram, that is Sector 89. Before we dive into the project, let me first tell you why choose Ganga Realty. Well, Ganga Realty has built a reputation around innovation and customer-first thinking. Their past projects like Anantam, Nandika, and Ganga Valley speaks volumes, and every home they have delivered reflects elegance, thoughtful designs, and future-ready living. And now they're back to raise the bar even higher. Say hello to Ganga Realty's latest gem in Sector 89, Gurugram. This is the actual site of the project. This project spans across 5.5 acres of land area and is situated on a 60-meter wide road. Trust me guys, this is not your typical residential layout. This one is all about low density living, high privacy, and smart space planning. You will get 3 BHK plus servant apartments over here in approximately 1600 square feet with the elevation of basement stilt plus 4. Yes, with every apartment there will be a dedicated basement space, which is very rare and brilliant. And here's first, Ganga Realty is offering servant space in a low-rise development. Yes, for the first time in this segment, in this category, a builder is offering a servant space in a low-rise development. And in this project, you can expect imported marble flooring, modular kitchen, branded air conditioning. Everything seems premium in this property. Let's talk about the lifestyle now. So there's a huge clubhouse in approximately 25,000 to 30,000 square feet area, which is loaded with high-end amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, banquet area, restaurant, cafeteria, spa and sauna, etc. Apart from that, landscape will also have multiple amenities like jogging track, cycling track, gardens, sports areas, etc. So all in all, this project has everything for a premium lifestyle, for a luxury living. The location, spot on. This property is situated just 5 minutes from Dwarka Expressway, 7 minutes from NH48 and 2 minutes from Pattaudi Road. Schools like RPS and Xavier schools are nearby. If I talk about the hospital, then you can see RV Hospital is right opposite to this property. Apart from that, shopping destinations like Iris Broadway, Sapphire 90 are all in the close vicinity. Apart from that, Cyber City, Udyog Vihar are also at a nearby distance. So all in all, this property has great connectivity with all the major hotspots. Let's talk numbers. This is where it gets exciting. First 150 units will sell at 2.25 crore onwards. After that, the prices will increase to rupees 2.50 crore. So this is where it gets really exciting. You can now avail pre-launch offers, pre-launch discounts, and early bird offers. If this sounds like your kind of lifestyle, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. This is Jolly Yadav from Privileged Assets Management, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, if you're interested in this property, give me a call on the number present on the screen. And that's all. I'll see you in the next one.